Get ready for 50 mind-blowing animal facts you've probably never heard before. Did you know axolotls are basically real-life superheroes? These adorable salamanders can regenerate entire limbs, and not just that. They can regrow their spinal cord, their heart, and even parts of their brain with zero scarring. Scientists study them hoping to unlock human regeneration someday. The axolotl isn't just cute, it might help shape the future of medicine. Meet the tardigrade, the toughest animal on Earth. These tiny water bears can survive being frozen, boiled, blasted with radiation, and even thrown into outer space. And they just keep going. They can shut down almost all biological functions and revive years later like nothing happened. The tardigrade isn't just weird, it's basically The platypus is one of the strangest animals ever discovered. It looks like a mix of a duck, a beaver, and an otter. But here's the weirdest part. It's one of the only mammals that lay eggs. Scientists were so confused when they first found it, they thought it was a fake. This creature proves nature has a sense of humor. Here's a fact you won't forget. Wombats poop cubes. Yes, perfect little cubes. They make about 80 to 100 of them every night. Scientists believe the shape keeps the poop from rolling away so wombats can mark their territory. Nature really said, let's make it square. Meet the froghopper, also known as the spittlebug, tiny but insanely powerful. These little insects can jump over 100 times their own height. That's like a human leaping over a 70-story building. They use super fast leg muscles and a spring-like action to launch themselves, nature's own mini superheroes. Meet the pistol shrimp, a tiny creature with a huge weapon. Its claw snaps so fast it creates a cavitation bubble underwater, which collapses with enough force to stun or even kill prey. That's right, this shrimp shoots sonic blasts stronger than a gunshot. The ocean's smallest sharpshooter. Kangaroos are amazing jumpers, but here's a surprising fact. They can't walk backward. Their strong tail, muscular legs, and unique hip structure make backward movement impossible. That's why the kangaroo is on Australia's coat of arms, symbolizing progress and moving forward, literally. Seahorses are nature's romantic oddballs. They form monogamous pairs, sticking with one partner for life. But here's the twist. It's the male seahorse that carries the babies in a special pouch and gives birth. Talk about role reversal in the animal kingdom. Starfish are true masters of regeneration. Amazingly, they can regrow their entire body from just a single arm, as long as part of the central disc remains. Scientists study them to understand healing and regeneration, nature's ultimate comeback story. Dolphins are some of the smartest animals on Earth. They even have names. Each dolphin creates a unique signature whistle, like a personal call sign. They use it to greet friends, call family members, and even respond when their name is called. Ocean animals with real identities. Sloths might look slow, but they have a superpower you never expected. These chill tree huggers can hold their breath for up to 40 minutes, even longer than dolphins. They slow their heart rate so much that oxygen lasts way longer. So yes, the slowest mammal is also one of the best at staying underwater. Did you know bees have 5 eyes? They have 2 large compound eyes on the sides of their head to see shapes and colors, and 3 tiny ocelli eyes on top to detect light and help with navigation. These 5 eyes help bees fly, find flowers, and survive in the wild. Nature's little engineers are truly amazing. Dolphins are some of the smartest animals on Earth. They even have names. Each dolphin creates a unique signature whistle, like a personal call sign. They use it to greet friends, call family members, and even respond when their name is called. Ocean animals with real identities. There's a jellyfish that can literally reverse aging. When stressed or injured, the Tortopsis dohrnii transforms back into its younger form, basically resetting its life cycle. This process can repeat over and over, making it the only creature known to biologically cheat death. Sloths are so slow that they only poop once a week. Seriously. And here's the crazy part. They climb all the way down to the ground to do it, which makes them vulnerable to predators. This weekly bathroom trip is the most dangerous moment of a sloth's life. Elephants have a superpower hidden in their feet. They can hear vibrations traveling through the ground, like footsteps, thunder, or distant calls from miles away. Their feet act like giant sensors, helping them communicate and detect danger long before they see it. Some frogs have a mind-blowing survival trick. They can freeze solid. The wood frog lets its heart stop and its body turn into an ice block during winter. When spring arrives, it simply thaws out and hops away like nothing happened, a real-life ice resurrection. Here's something weird you probably never noticed. Birds don't pee. Instead of producing liquid urine, they mix their waste into a white pasty substance called uric acid and poop it all out at once. That white splat on your car, yeah, it's both. Ants never really sleep like we do. Instead, they take hundreds of tiny micro naps lasting just seconds throughout the day. This keeps the colony working non-stop with no shutdown. Imagine resting while still staying productive. Did you know koalas have a fascinating secret? Their fingerprints are almost identical to humans. So similar, they could potentially confuse a crime scene investigation. Nature is amazing. Did you know slugs have a surprising feature? They actually have 4 noses, 2 on top for smelling and 2 below for tasting. Nature sure has some weird and wonderful tricks. Did you know garden snails might look slow and harmless, but they have a surprising secret? They can have up to 14,000 tiny teeth, called a rodular. These teeth help them scrape and eat leaves, fruits, and plants. Nature's tiny munchers are more powerful than you think. Did you know the blue whale is not just the largest animal on Earth? Its tongue alone can weigh as much as a small elephant or even a car. Imagine that, a tongue bigger than most animals you see every day. Nature truly is incredible. Did you know crocodiles cannot stick out their tongue? Their tongue is firmly attached to the roof of their mouth, which helps them swallow prey and prevents accidental biting. Nature gave them this amazing adaptation for hunting. Did you know polar bears aren't actually white? Their fur is colorless and hollow, which reflects sunlight and makes them look white. But underneath, their skin is black, helping them absorb heat from the sun and stay warm in the freezing Arctic. Nature's ultimate survival trick. Did you know giraffes have a purple tongue that can grow up to 20 inches long? Scientists believe the dark color helps protect them from sunburn while they reach high branches for leaves. Nature's design is as clever as it is surprising. Did you know rhinoceros horns aren't made of bone? They are actually made of compacted hair called keratin, the same material as human hair and nails. These incredible horns grow throughout their life and are used for defense, digging, and fighting. Nature is full of surprises. Did you know cows don't have just one stomach, they have 4 compartments? These compartments, rumen, reticulum, omasum, and abomasum, help them digest tough plants and extract nutrients efficiently. Nature's engineering at its finest. Did you know elephants are the only animals whose legs can't jump? Their massive weight and straight leg structure make it impossible for them to lift all 4 feet off the ground at once. Instead, they rely on strength and stability to move gracefully and carry their enormous bodies. Nature really knows how to balance size and function. Did you know only female mosquitoes bite humans and animals? They need the protein in blood to help develop their eggs, while male mosquitoes survive on nectar and plant juices. Next time a mosquito bites, remember it's all about survival and reproduction in nature. Did you know flamingos aren't born pink? Their vibrant pink color actually comes from the brine shrimp and algae they eat. Without these colorful foods, their feathers would stay pale. Nature's way of painting these birds is truly amazing. Did you know barnacles have the largest penis to body size ratio of any animal? Even though they're tiny and stuck to rocks, their extremely long and flexible penis allows them to reach and fertilize other barnacles nearby. Nature has some wild solutions for survival. Did you know reindeer have a magical adaptation in their eyes? Their eyes change color from gold in the summer to blue in the winter. This helps them see better in the dim Arctic light, giving them a huge advantage during the long, dark winters. Nature truly is amazing. Did you know some species of turtles have an incredible trick? They can absorb oxygen through the water using special sacs near their cloaca. This means they can literally breathe through their butt, a process called cloacal respiration. Nature never stops surprising us. Did you know snakes don't have eyelids, so they can't blink? Instead, they have a clear protective scale called a brill over their eyes. This means snakes can see even while their eyes appear closed, a fascinating adaptation that helps them survive in the wild. Did you know the axolotl is a unique salamander that usually remains in its juvenile, aquatic, gilled stage for its entire life? This amazing condition is called neoteny, and it allows axolotls to stay fully aquatic while still being able to reproduce. Nature is full of surprises. Did you know female ferrets that go into heat but are not mated can face a serious risk? They may develop aplastic anemia and die if they don't receive medical treatment. This rare but critical condition shows how delicate nature can be for some animals. Did you know the glass frog has skin so translucent that you can actually see its internal organs, including its beating heart? This amazing transparency helps it camouflage in leaves and avoid predators. Nature is full of incredible surprises. Did you know dugongs, also called sea cows, might look like marine mammals, but they are actually more closely related to elephants than to dolphins or whales? Their unique evolutionary history shows how nature can surprise us in the most unexpected ways. Did you know the horned lizard has an unusual defense mechanism? It can squirt blood from its eyes to confuse or scare away predators. This strange but effective trick shows just how creative nature can be when it comes to survival. Did you know garfish, a type of ray-finned fish, have green bones? This unusual color comes from a bile pigment called biliverdin. These green bones are just one of the many strange and fascinating adaptations found in nature. Did you know the African gray parrot isn't just a pretty bird, it's a true genius? It can learn hundreds of words and even understand concepts like shapes, colors, and numbers. These amazing parrots show just how intelligent and social animals can be. Did you know the black mamba isn't actually black? Its skin is usually brown or olive, but its name comes from the inky black color inside its mouth, which it shows when threatened. Nature sure knows how to create intimidating surprises. Did you know rats can actually giggle when tickled? They make a high-pitched, ultrasonic chirp that humans usually can't hear, showing that even small animals can have playful and joyful moments. Nature is full of surprises. Did you know Capuchin monkeys have a very unusual behavior? They actually rub their bodies with urine. This strange habit can help show social status, communicate sense signals, or even attract a mate. It may sound weird to us, but in the animal kingdom, every behavior has a purpose. Did you know prairie dogs have a super cute way of recognizing members of their group? They actually greet each other with a quick, open mouth kiss. This little gesture helps them confirm identity, strengthen bonds, and keep their community tight and united. Even in the wild, friendship matters. Did you know killer whales, also known as orcas, are among the very few mammals, besides humans, that can actually experience menopause? Even after they stop having calves, older female orcas play a crucial role in leading their pods, sharing knowledge, hunting skills, and survival lessons. In the ocean, wisdom is power. Did you know a group of crows isn't just called a flock, it's actually called a murder? The name comes from old folklore and superstition, where crows were often linked to mystery, intelligence, and the supernatural. But despite the scary name, Crows are highly intelligent and social birds. Did you know a group of pandas isn't just called a pack or a herd, it's actually known as an embarrassment. Nobody knows exactly why, but it may come from their clumsy and goofy behavior, which makes them look cute, funny, and sometimes a little silly. Even if the name sounds unusual, pandas are adorably unique. Did you know pigeons are one of the very few animals that can actually recognize themselves in a mirror, a rare sign of self-awareness? This ability is shared with only a small group of highly intelligent species, including humans, dolphins, elephants, and some apes. So next time you see a pigeon, remember, they're smarter than most people think. Did you know when a caterpillar enters its chrysalis, it doesn't just grow wings, it actually dissolves its entire body into liquid. Inside, it breaks down into a cell-rich soup and then rebuilds itself into a completely new creature, a butterfly. One of nature's most mind-blowing transformations.